Using the correct work surface for your project is an important aspect of DIY that will help protect your tools and your work area. Today, let's explore these different work surfaces, their intended uses, and what tools to use alongside them. Let's start with Sailrite's double-sided cutting mats. This double-sided cutting mat is self-healing, which means it will last longer than other cutting mats on the market. This makes it ideal for use with rotary cutters and knives. Its 5-layer construction makes it great for cutting fabric, leather, and other materials. The cutting mat features separate imperial and metric sides with measurements that include degree guidelines for bias cutting. Our cutting mats come in 4 sizes to fit your project needs. Next, let's talk about Sailrite's tempered cutting glass. Tempered glass is a type of safety glass that is physically and thermally stronger than normal plate glass. It doesn't absorb heat, making this product perfect for upholstery and canvas workers using a hot knife. The glass allows the blade of the hot knife to slide smoothly, resulting in a clean cut that minimizes scorched edges. It's also great for leather workers because you can skive and edge bevel on it. And because of its extra smooth, low porosity surface, it won't dull knives, skivers, or bevelers as quickly as cutting mats or granite slabs. This cutting glass will keep your tools sharper for longer. It also has grid lines for easy, straight cutting and measuring. Now, onto the Sailrite rubber poundo board. These boards are useful tools to keep in your workshop. They are especially good at protecting your work surface when punching holes in fabrics and leather. Not only that, but they also protect your tools. The shock absorption of the soft rubber prevents damage to the sharp edges of hole punches and cutters. Lastly, we have the Sailrite poly cutting board. This cutting board is best used for cutting leather, fabric, and other materials using knives and chisels. It is made from low-density polyethylene, making it impact absorbing. This comes in handy when using stamping tools on leather. It protects both your tools and your work table from damage. Choosing a work surface really comes down to what tools you're using and what application you're making. If you're using rotary cutters or knives, you'll want to use a double-sided cutting mat. Tempered glass is great for hot knives and leather skiving or beveling tools. The poundo board can be used for hole cutters and punches. And lastly, the poly cutting board can be used for knife cutting and stamping. If you want to see more DIY selection guides, tips, and product demos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on that bell so you never miss any of our videos. And which work surface would you use the most? Let us know in the comments below.